What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to create images very accurately that describe Jesus. And yeah, we're trying to be accurate here, okay? But the images isn't gonna be 100% accurate, but yeah. So let's get started, shall we? So guys, do not laugh at me because I'm using like, I'm using ChatGPT. Um, yeah, and we're going to like type in the script and yeah, I'm gonna be 100% accurate. Or I don't know if I'm going to be accurate, but yeah, let's see. Let me type in for you guys.
If we tried it, we can make it. But don't we ever just take some chances and stop your thinking and start your living? Get your shoes on, we're going dancing.
All right. While we're waiting, um, yeah. So Jesus is, of course, you guys know, a first century Middle Eastern Jewish man with brown hair, brown eyes, and yeah, his skin is light brown, uh, which is pretty interesting, not gonna lie. But yeah, so God isn't like beautiful in his presence because yeah. Oh, the image is ready. Let's see. Um, might be accurate, not gonna lie, but okay. But it doesn't really look like this, but yeah, I've tried my best, and yeah, it's not even 50% accurate or 10% accurate. He should look more Middle Eastern. You know what I mean? Mm, yeah, which one is accurate? Image number one or image number two? Let me know in the comments which one looks more accurate. But yeah, let me be honest, this isn't really how Jesus looks like, but this is the resemblance of how he should look like. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more videos. And yeah, this isn't 100% accurate or 10% or 1%. I have no idea. But anyway, if you guys enjoy, make sure to support me on my way to 700 subscribers, which is insane. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.